Good evening, VP tiers and prudent speculators. This is Trader Rod. Going to do a quick recap of the range trader levels today on the S&P and the Nasdaq. Fed Fund Day. Fed Fund Day. So called out in the room today, there would probably be 30 to 40 points of movement following the Fed. Let's take a look at it on the S&P, and then I want to just call out the beautifulness of the range trader today. So let's just call it 1908 all the way down to 1866. So there's your 40 points. Woof, straight. It's happened to be down after initial reaction up, and all the indices look the same. Nasdaq even weaker because of Apple's earnings. Although Facebook this afternoon, what a sell in the after hours. Very lucky. 107.22 sold to you. Sold to you for 200 shares. I rarely do that, but I had an order sitting out there, and I think I top ticked it. Some schmuck bought it for like 107.25, I think. Dare I say high of the year for Facebook? I don't know. Maybe not. All right, let's take a look at this. This is what I want to focus on tonight. This is the range trader. Range trader. This is bid zone 3. Bid zone 3. And these ranges are based on the opening range high and low for the day. And then look at that. It violated a little bit. There was a lot of volatility, but first touch, boom. Second touch, boom. Third touch, boom. And then we've just seen it go down and touch it again. Facebook has sort of jacked around the Nasdaq Futures a little bit here early in the Globex session. So just a beautiful thing, bid zone 3. Offer zone 2, not so much today. It got violated a couple times. So you probably got stopped out up here. But if you're more structure-based trader and you can take a little bit of heat, the DSR level up here, dynamic support resistance, was just beautiful. We didn't get anywhere near OZ. Well, we got pretty close to OZ3, I should say, 1912. Only on Fed days are you going to see price challenge OZ3 and touch bid zone 3 in the same day. So this is where we were rocking it right here. This led to about $1,800 in profit on a 2-lot, just a 2-lot. And that was on this bounce here, and then we got nothing. It was just on this bounce. Just on this bounce here, sorry, 1,800 on a 2-lot on both the S&P and the Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq in just a second here. Here's the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq was hecka volatile, hecka hella. Bid zone 3 almost to the tick. Bid zone 3 almost to the tick, 41.07. So we were just sitting here waiting. I said, do not buy bid zone 2. Don't buy it. Wait. And, oh, but we got this DSR level here, structure support. I said, not the way this sucker's trading. We had Apple down 6.5% at the time. I'm like, it's getting, what was the word I wrote? Panicky-ish. It was getting panicky-ish. Opening range high today kind of marked the high of the day in Apple. Again, when you start out the day with Apple trading like that, it's going to be hard for the Nasdaq to really get up and go. And then the IBB rolled over. Gilead below 90. Sub 90. We're looking for about 82.5 to sort of load the boat. Doug, if you're watching this, like I said, if you give me the level in Bank of America where I absolutely load the boat with 1,000 contracts so we can make $1 million, I'll give you the level in Apple. And I think that level is more like 88 now. I was calling it as 91.5, but I think it's more like 88. All right, I'm all over the shop tonight, but I've had a lot of coffee and just had a gigantic iced tea. Anyhow, folks, if you'd like to find out more about how we trade futures and equity options for daily income, you can visit VPT Live, and you can find out more about the range trader, which again is based on the opening range high and low, set to some configurable limits depending on what we're trading. And today, just a work of art in terms of how bid zone 3 just contained price. And below that, we didn't even have any levels until about 3090, although it was, 3900, although, a 300-point drop in one day in the Nasdaq would be pretty dramatic. All right, we will leave it there for now. This is Trader Rod reminding always trade like you mean it. We'll see you at the next update. Remember to click the follow button if you'd like to be notified when we're streaming live.